Well, Bird's stuck over there. So Brian got stuck trying to come get him in the rhino. So I thought I would just come over here and pull him out. It didn't work so well. So our last resort is Jim Bob over here. If he gets stuck, we're just camping. Yeah, it would definitely be time to cook the burgers. Wide open, Jim! We just can't risk getting stuck.
Yeah, no risk at all. You're nowhere good.
This is pretty good ground here.
Yeah, but it's slicker now.
Yeah, but he'll hold it wide open. Oh, it's coming out. Woo! My turn. Come on back, Jim. Well, you're on the rope. Pull up a little bit. All right. Snug it up. Snug it up. Good. Good. This is soft. Let's go.